Sign in Bell email account. If you're trying to sign into your Bell email account and you're not sure how, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Bell email account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser, whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser. Now, in your browser's address bar, type in Bell website where you can access the Bell Mail login page, or you can simply directly go to www.bell.ca. Hit enter. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the three horizontal bars. Tap on it. From there, you can simply find an option that says login/register. Tap on that. Now you'll be taken to the Bell login page. Here you'll need to enter your username. Simply enter your Bell email address or username. After that, simply enter your password. And once you've done that, simply click on login. And that's it. Now you should be logged into your Bell email inbox. From here, you can read emails, send new ones, and manage your account settings.